I just got this vacuum from Amazon. I wanted to show you exactly how it came packaged. I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this vacuum. I know a lot of people like to know exactly how it comes. So this is exactly how it comes. We got all our instructions right over here, which we'll get into in a second. And then we have everything you could possibly need. So we got the manual right over here. You'll see everything comes wrapped up, good to go. So I'm going to get all this stuff out of here. We're going to put it together and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this. So let's cover everything we get. This is the vacuum itself. This is the canister. This is the battery pack. I already put the battery pack on. It just slides on and off. You get a 65-minute runtime on this battery, which is really, really nice. And this is kind of going to be our off on right up top here. You'll see that's on. And then you have the different settings right over here. So you have that right over there, which is really nice. So the other pieces we're gonna get right over here, I'm gonna show it in use and all that good stuff. So we have right over here, this is gonna be the actual piece itself. Really nice length on this one right over here. I do like the fact that it comes with this charging base right over here. So you don't have to drill anything into the wall or anything like that. You literally just put your vacuum here when you're done. We also have this attachment, this one right over here. This is nice. So this is going to be kind of the longer piece, and I'll show you how to connect that in a second. But you also have the option to fold this down. So you could get under the couches and do all that good stuff, or get up high. We have this piece right over here. So you get a nice little extension. You can get everything around. We also have the brush right over here. And we also have this brush right over here to kind of clean it out. Now, so real quick, to charge it, you could just stick this right over there, just like that. And you see it is charging just like that. So it's just super easy and something I really like as well. So how we're gonna do this right over here, this is the piece right over here. If you wanted to get it longer, we're just gonna line these two pieces up just like this. And you want it just to click in just like that, and we're good to go. One thing to note about this, you could just pop this off just like that. If you wanted to use this, you could basically use this as like a handheld vacuum as well. You would just have to hook this up, and now we kind of have a handheld vacuum. You could take this out into the car. You could get just stuff up close here, or you could just kind of reach up there if you're taller. So I do like that part about it as well. You don't always have to have it in there. So let's get this together, and I'm gonna kind of just show you, like I said before, it just hooks in right over there. Then we just take this piece right over here, line it up as well, pop that in. So let's go and test it out. One thing I want to mention real quick, you also have this easy dust release as well. So you could just pop that down, put that right over the garbage, and then you're good to go. This just steps down like this, and you kind of are ready to go. I'll show you the suction in a second. One thing I do like about this as well is it will stand up by itself. I've had some other vacuums where you can't have it standing up just like this by itself, which is kind of annoying. All right, so we're just gonna step down just like that. And then to turn this on right over here, we're just gonna hit this right over here. You'll see this says board floor right over here. The next setting right over here is gonna be carpet. And then the next one over here is going to be turbo mode. So we're just going to do the floor right here. This has really great suction. It's really easy to use. I like the fact that this has a green light. You'll see it's just picking everything up really nicely over here. And this is under a desk. Now, if this was kind of a couch and I need to get under there, I just kind of go right over here to the back, and then I just bend this down, and now I could just get lower if I wanted to do that. And it just makes it super easy that if I'm done under the couch, I literally just bring it back up just like that. And you'll see right over here, just doing a really, really great job. You get the 65-hour runtime on this as well. It was super easy to set up, just really great. And you can see right over here, this does a really, really great job picking up dust. There wasn't like a ton of debris down there, but I love the fact that it got all the dust and the dirt that's over there. If you want to do a carpet setting, what I have done also in the past is I'll take this off just like this. To get this off right over here, we're just going to push that out, and this part will pop out just like this. And then what I would do, I'll take this piece off right over here, pop that off, and then I'll put this just like this, and then I'll go on the staircase and kind of get the carpet, because it's just much easier when it's just like this instead of using the whole thing. So if you are looking for a great vacuum that has a ton of great attachments, great suction, a charging base that you don't need to drill into the wall or anything like that, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.